Mayor Sori and councillors, thank you very much for this opportunity to talk about a rather important issue from an environmental point of view. And before I get into some of the specifics, I would really recommend that you take the time and to look at the technical information that's been provided by some French and German authorities on the subject. It's very important to really make decisions on the environment based on facts. And the fact in this particular issue with BTI is that any kind of reduction of aquatic insects, be they the nasty mosquitoes or the less nasty and more benign midges, is going to impact on the health of these systems. Which basically means if we destroy some of the base of the food chain, we actually impact the various other levels in those ecosystems. Doing that, we will, over time, reduce the biodiversity of these areas. We are blessed with a lot of very interesting organisms, but I can tell you that in my time in Edmonton, this is starting in 1964, much of that biodiversity has been lost. We don't have the nighthawks. They depend on aerial insects. We have many of the swallow species that have been impacted. They depend on these aerial insects. Aquatic systems have been changed, manipulated, and terrestrial systems as well, by a constant barrage of human activities that simply reduces the diversity, the biodiversity. And so if we engage in the kind of activities that you're planning to sort of relieve the pressures on people's reactions to mosquitoes, and this is a short-lived problem. It's only about 6 weeks, really, June and part of July, maybe till the end of July, but it's a nasty, short-lived problem. We need to get through this stage by finding other means of protecting ourselves against mosquitoes. And we have to tolerate some of them. We will not get rid of them all anyway. So by actually using BTI and impacting the systems, we're doing great damage to our future generations. It's enlightened decisions need to be made that really provide a better environment for our kids, for our grandkids, the future generations. It's important to make the right decisions at this point in time. And I do thank you very much for this opportunity. It's very much appreciated. And I wish you all the best in the process of going through the various aspects that are important in this issue and make the right decisions in the end. Thank you.